Hi everyone, and welcome back to my course. Today's activity looks simple. It's actually just a conversation that you're going to have with your kid, but it builds some very powerful thinking skills. And let me tell you from the beginning that most children will answer this question wrong, even if they can count perfectly. However, by asking your kid these questions, they will learn how parts relate to a whole, which is kind of a key idea behind maths and reasoning later on. So, I'm going to show you a few simple questions you can ask your child, and I'll also share how my 4.5-year-old son answered, so you can get a clear idea of how this activity might play out at home. Let's get started. So, the activity is called What's Bigger, the Whole or its Parts? And the first question can be, what are there more of, rabbits or animals? In this case, my son said animals. And I was like, okay, and why do you think that? And he said, because animals live in a farm and there are so many animals in the farm. And then I asked, do you think that rabbits are animals as well? And here he didn't say anything, but I could see he was thinking, and that's exactly what I wanted to initiate that logical reasoning. The second question can be, what are there more of, pigeons or birds? And in this case, my son said pigeons. And when I asked him why, he said, because they are everywhere. When I go out, I see pigeons everywhere. Fair enough. And then, of course, I asked him again, do you think pigeons are birds? And again, we just continue having this interesting conversation. He does think that pigeons are birds, but yet he doesn't fully understand that even though pigeons are birds, there are more pigeons than birds. The third question can be, what are there more of, kids or people? And here, I think he got the idea because he said, people. And without me asking him why, he said, because kids are people too. Spot on. By the fourth question, he didn't want to answer anymore, and I didn't push, but feel free to continue asking your child if they are up for the conversation. So, some interesting questions can be, what are there more of, ants or insects? And then, what are there more of, apples or fruit? And the tricky one, what are there more of, wheels or cars? So, the main takeaway of this activity is that it will help children build class inclusion reasoning, which is a core concept used later in fractions, in Venn diagrams, in probability. And then second, it will help kids develop abstract logical thinking and also verbal reasoning and justification. So always follow up the question by asking them why, because they will be forced to give you an answer with because, and that's what we want. And then just help them understand that the part is like belongs to the whole by asking them, do you think pigeons are birds? Do you think rabbits are animals? And it will also help kids to prepare for word problems later on and reasoning tests. The last thing I want to note is that children very often will choose the smaller group because it's more familiar. When you ask them which is bigger or what are there more of, pigeons or birds, they will visualize pigeons immediately. It's just very familiar. So yeah, I hope you like the activity, and if you do it with your kid, I would love to know their answers. Thank you very much and happy learning.